Hello, this is Peggy here and welcome to a train review video. I think this is a Komachi train set. I will be getting the track up and running soon, hopefully, yay! And I'm reviewing the, sorry if I spell this wrong, let's get that in the focus, I don't know if it will. Well, it does say Komachi trains. Sorry if I spelled that wrong, Chinese people, if you're watching this. I don't know if that, have what you call Chinese peoples. Chinesian? No, I don't know. But I think this tin's from Chinese. I haven't put a battery in these so they don't go around the track. I think that's, I don't know if one's the heavy one. Yeah, this one is. I should just tell by that. It's lovely. I just love those. They're so detailed, those lights. I just love them. Put a welded in, well not welded in, like, yeah, welded in wiper there. I could next time put a bit more detail there, because it's all black. It's pink stripe along there, with the Komachi thing there, all around the train. And there, brake, emergency brake, right there, nothing much on the roof. There's nothing much here, sorry about the door just there. Nothing much about the train. Yeah, there's Komachi, just says Tommy there. Wheels, this is definitely the drive wheel. And this one's battery. So if you want to just put a battery in, you hold here, lift. There you go. Sometimes just for the fun of it, I use this just to put the battery in. It looks like a steam engine. So off the steam engine. There you go. Well, it's not technically. Put it back on. Just line it up. It does. Whoa. We'll be now doing I think this will be the standard class. Cause standard class. No. Let's think now. Yeah, right, this is standard class. Standard class in buffet and first class. So it's a 3-car train, but in real life it is, I think it's about 4, 6 or 5. I like this carriage, even though it's very small. What size am I? I don't know. It's about my size of my third finger. It's got more detail here. It's got a wire going down there in the brake. Oh, I love the hat included that. That's so cool. Look at all that. It's like an electric diesel thing. Just it's so nice that. It's a shame they haven't made different colours. That would be great. Could have black and yeah. But again, it says Komachi. No detail at the bottom. Door, as there was a door there, just to say there was a toilet there. You can't open this one up because this is not a drive unit. Couple sorry about the door again. Another brake there. Standard class carriage. Couple of detail there, but not much. I think that's all I've got to say about that carriage. Now the first class carriage. Exactly the same as the first, just red lights. Oh yes! Look, that's coming towards you. That comes away. It looks so cool on the track, and I'll be getting that track up and running in part 2 of this vid. video. Exactly the same as first, just red. It done the odd thing. Komachi on it. Komachi on it. No, Komachi on here. That is like the weirdest thing. I think they could have fitted it in there. Don't know about there though. Because here there's a lot more space. Still no detail on the roof. Still black and got a door and a driver's cab door. So I think that's that. We'll just couple all of them up and show you what it looks like. Always be careful with these bits, just in case they do cut off. And just, oh, look at that train. Just look at that train. It's, oh, whoa, just look at that. Just get a full view. Do a sound effect for you. Just twist that around. That's my, I'll try and show you a bit. I'll zoom in a bit. Other way. Look the way it ends up. Now I just want to show you something with it. Here it is. With the train, which is the turnabout train. So I'll be doing a review video on that. Is that. And just once again for the fun of it, here it is. It's gonna be so funny. Shoot. You can see the size comparison there. So I think that's all I've got to say.